Good morning, student. Today our topic is discovering the Harappan civilization. Now the question arises how archaeologists have used evidence from material remains to piece together parts of fascinating history, or how archaeologists discovered the civilization. Now, first of all, I am telling you about the Cunningham's confusion. Who was this Cunningham? Cunningham was the first Director General of ASI, began the archaeological excavation in the mid 19th century. He was the archaeologist who preferred to use the written words or the inscriptions text as a guide to their investigations. Cunningham's main interest was in the archaeology of the early history from 6th century BC to 4th century BC and later period even also. So, and he also used the accounts left by Chinese Buddhist pilgrims who had visited the subcontinent between the 4th and 7th century to locate early settlements. So he gave the main stress on the in the period in between 6th to 4th century and the accounts of the Chinese pilgrims. Cunningham also collected the documented and translated inscription found during his survey. When he excavated sites, he tended to recover artifacts that he thought he had the cultural values. Now, if we see the site like Harappa was not part of the path of the Chinese pilgrimage because the Chinese pilgrims they were never visited this Harappan site and was not known the early historic city did not fit very neatly within this framework of investigation. So we see that Cunningham was fully confused about this site. Although Harappan artifacts were found fairly often during in the 19th century, and some of these reached the Cunninghams, but he did not realize how old these were. So here we see the Cunningham was too much confused about the artifacts of the Harappan even also. He thought that Cunningham's last point Cunningham thought that Indian history began with the first cities in the Ganga Valley. As he gave his specific focus, it is not surprising that he missed the significance of Harappa. So now through all these aspects we see that Cunningham was confused about the Harappa. Now who question comes that who discovered the Harappa or this Indus Valley civilization? Now, first of all, here you see the Dayaram Sahani. Dayaram Sahani, he discovered the seals at the Harappa in the early decades of the 20th century. Then, the another archaeologist, Rakhal Das Banerjee, he also found the similar seals at the Mohenjo-daro, leading to the conjecture means without proof that these sites were the part of a single archaeological culture. Then in 1924, John Marshall, he was the Director General of ASI in 1924, and he announced the discovery of the new civilization in the Indus Valley to the world. Then he was a professional archaeologist. John Marshall was also the uh, professional archaeologist. He did his work, he brought this work and through his experience of working in the Greece and Crete to the field. It means that he did his work in these Greece and the Crete areas. Kingdoms. He too was interested in the spectacular finds. He was equally keen to look for patterns of everyday life. Marshall tended to excavate along regular horizontal unit, measure uniformly throughout the mounts, ignoring the stratigraphy of the site. This means that all the artifacts recovered from the same unit were grouped together, even if they were found at different stratigraphic layers. As a result, valuable information about the context of these finds was irretrievably lost. Then, the new techniques and questions. R. H. M. Wheeler. He was the Director General of ASI in 1944. He saw on that time the partition of the subcontinent and the creation of the Pakistan. The major sites are now in the Pakistan territory. This was proved on marked Indian archaeologists to try and locate sites in India. Harappan settlements and exploration in Punjab and Haryana have added to the list of Harappan sites, while Kalibanga, Lothal, Rakhigari, and most recently Rudholavira have been discovered, explored, and excavated. As a part of these efforts, the fresh explorations also continue all these areas. Now it means that now in this time, at that Dholavira, Rakhi, Gari, Lothal, Kalibanga in Haryana, all these areas, the exploration work till now is going on. Since the 1980s, there has also been growing international interest in Harappan archaeology. Specialists from the subcontinent and even abroad have been jointly worked at both Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. They were using modern scientific techniques, including surface exploration, to recover traces of clay, stone, metal, and plant and animal remains, as well as to minutely analyze every scarp of available evidence. These explorations promise to yield interesting results in the future. It means that now in this time, not only from India or the subcontinent, even from the other countries, from the whole world, the archaeologists came here and worked together and trying to explore the new things from the Harappan sites. Thank you. The last lecture we will complete in our next video.